Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Team Sleepyhead. I am Sarina. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very different because I thought it's Christmas season and we should probably be talking a lot more Christmassy. I'm sorry I look very messy. Is because I'm just been working too hard decorating the house and the church. I'm sitting in the church right now and it's all decked up and ready for the season, and I'm super excited. And welcome to my this is my pre-Christmas vlog that I'm doing, and I'm very excited to be doing this vlog. And yeah, let's get into the video. Here I am. First of all, it's very cold here. It's about 13-14 degrees. I am doing the purpose of making these vlogs are like pre-Christmas, Christmas, and after Christmas. So there are going to be 3 parts to this vlog. So you have to really stay tuned. I'm sorry I'm uploading this video really late because I'm just working super hard. So I'm sorry for that. But yeah, I'm going to show you certain clips and some special clips, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Now I'm going to show you around the church, and I'm going to show you what's happening inside the church. And yeah, let's go. So this is the church decoration. Wow. I'm going to take you for a tour. So this is the decoration of the other side of the church, and this side there are lights but it hasn't come on. So yeah, it's so pretty. That star has half a star on it. Oh my god, I may look funny, but I am sorry, I can't help it. It's super cold. You just have to adjust to me looking like this, like a horrible person. But it is it's very cold. By the way, I showed you these areas. Actually, the church that I was like, the place where I was sitting in inside the church campus, the lights haven't come on yet. So let it come on and then I'm going to show ya. But now I'm going to also go home and record stuff. So stay tuned. Bye. 42. I am so tired. I'm sorry, but I am actually very tired. Now though, I'm going to go and eat something, very hungry, and then we're going to do the decoration of the house. I will be video shooting when I am doing the decoration. Now, one more commitment. In my Hindi challenge, 24 hours Hindi challenge, I had said that I will be slapping myself if I use any English words, because I've got so many people who told me that you've not even slapped yourself. I thought that okay, maybe at the end of this video I will. So I used more than 13 or 14 English words, but I'm not going to slap myself so many times. Duh, we're going to slap. No, not so many times. I'm going to slap myself 5 times. That's also fact. But only at the end of the video. Now I'm just going to eat something, decorate the house, and then shoot again. So bye. Moving down to day 2 of pre-Christmas. Good morning, guys. It's me, Sarina. Of course, you know me. My god, I've gone mad. How weird. I've introduced myself before this video, and now again I'm introducing myself, like as if I'm starting the video all over again. But yes, good morning. And yesterday I could not film anymore because I was super tired and I fell off to sleep. But today we're going to complete the entire decoration of the house. We haven't yet completed the decoration properly, so we'll be completing the decoration and then I'll be showing you the final result. But till then, you just keep patience and you just keep it on hold. By the way, I just woke up 1 hour back and I'm looking swollen up because I'm not getting proper sleep. I'm sleeping like 5 hours, 6 hours, not proper 7, 8 hours. So that's the reason why this is happening to me. But today at 10 o'clock again, really can't wait to show you the house. I am super excited to show you the house. But I'll show you the incomplete decoration of the house also because I'm super excited. So watch. So this is the entry. We are painting the stairs also green and red Christmas colors. We put up a Merry Christmas in the side. In fact, at night it's going to look better because of the lights that will come on. Now that will come on, and look at this. Ooh, still incomplete. And these are the gates. Like, it's going to look pretty. I'll show you. So if we shut these gates, it's going to look pretty good. Wow. But yeah, it's not nighttime. So these lights that you see when it comes on, I'll show you at night when the thing is ready. This is the manger. We have to clean up all this. These are all not cleaned product. And then, don't see. 1, 2, 3, go. We made those wreaths by ourselves. Those circles you saw, those are called wreaths. We made it ourselves. So we're so happy. But now I'll just go and eat some breakfast. I'm hungry. And then, yeah, I'll be going to church at 10. So I'll shoot a little bit in the church. Today was also the last day of work in the church. So I'm going to miss everything. Anyways, bye. Okay, guys. I went to church and I couldn't shoot because of the practice session happening. But now though, কি বলছিস? আমি আমার নিডলটা হারিয়ে ফেলেছি। ওই তো পেয়ে গেছি। So sorry for the interruption, but yes, I went to church, but I could not shoot because of the reason of everyone practicing and stuff. So I could not take out the camera. And now if you're thinking, why am I sitting like this and what is happening is, look at the stairs. Ooh, and I'm making these little things. If you can't see me, okay, I'm sorry. I'm making these little things and I am hanging it on these. So I'm making basically like a hanger stuff. And I've already made these. Oh my god, many. One more is left. So this is the second wreath. The first wreath I've already made and submitted for decoration. This is the second wreath and the third wreath is somewhere over there. And the stair painting. Okay, stay tuned. Okay guys, I have surprisingly come to the church. That time I showed you that I was doing the decoration in the house, but I've surprisingly come to the... Okay, so this is the church. Wow. So I've come to the church right now, and I told you that I will video record while I make the wreath, but I was so tired and also had to come to the church, so I came directly to the church and waited to show you all this. So yeah, this is done from the one side. I'll go home and complete the wreaths and I will show you how I made it. Oh, this lighting is super good. I'm going to take a picture here, by the way. Okay, so bye. I make sure I'll video record, don't worry. I know it's sounding very weird, but I will. Bye. Okay, so I'm making the hats here. Still, it's being made. And yeah, my hair is looking really messy. I got shocked. I was like, who's come? Okay, so I'm making the hats. I have to make 18 more and I'll be done. I don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do. I know you're always seeing me in the church, but I can't help it, dude. It's work. And it's Christmas. Okay. I got my needle also. My face looks swollen. I'm really tired and sleepy, so that's why. I hope you can hear me. I don't know if you can, but if you can't, I'm sorry. I've come home and I'm drinking my water. We've just completed half of the decoration. I know, I'm sorry, I look very messy, but I can't help it. And I'm very tired right now. And also, right this moment, I am to complete making the hats and start hanging them up. And with the balloons, I'm not showing you right now. Once it's totally complete, I'll show you, and I'll end the vlog very, very soon. So stay tuned. And also, stay tuned. I told you that I told you that I'll update you on this thing. So it's turned out to be like this. It's like a little chandelier. It's like a little wing. What do you say? Wind something. So this is how it's turned out. So yeah. Okay guys, we're almost done with the decoration. Now the only thing that is left is hanging of these hats. It's such a tough work right now, but this is our Christmas tree. Our little baby Christmas tree for this year. Otherwise, we usually have a very big Christmas tree. This time, because of this COVID situation and stuff, we don't want to bring anything so big. The world is suffering. So we are celebrating, but also we are mourning. So yeah, it's a little baby Christmas tree. And these are the decorations. Those wreaths that you can see, we've made it on our own. And there is another little Christmas tree there with that one. I don't know if you can see this one. It's like got cards here. This oh my god, I can't point it here. This one, it's got the cards and everything on it. This is the dining table, so don't take it otherwise. So now we only balloon hanging is left, and this hanging thing is left. Then we are done. Tomorrow is a new day, and tomorrow is a exciting. I'm going to shoot this Christmas vlog part 2. I'm going to end my video here. Not much to see. I've just shown you a glimpse of the decorations. Tomorrow though is the part 2 of Christmas vlogs, and it will come out in part 2, so you have to wait for it. I'm going to finish the video right here and end it. I hope this video was not that boring. I know it was a little bit boring of me talking most of the things, but other than that, I think tomorrow's vlog and after that is going to be interesting. So you have to stay tuned. No, tomorrow is not Christmas. Tomorrow I'm going to bring my friend home. So I'm very excited. My friend is coming tomorrow. That's a different vlog altogether. I'm going to Calcutta to bring her, and she'll celebrate Christmas with us. So tomorrow is Christmas vlogs part 2. Then on Christmas day, I'm going to do a part 3 vlog. So stay tuned, and this video will go up very, very soon. It'll go up maybe tonight also. You never know. So stay tuned, and I will see you in the next fun Christmas vlog part 2. Until then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Team Sleepyhead, and I will see you in the next video for sure. Until then, toodles, bye, good night.